Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a girl for those who don't know and want to know. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that comment section and tell me so you know. I'm gonna give you a shout out. The shout out for these videos is gonna be at the end, by the way, for those who know. I know so long time I want the shout out. But anyways, if you're a real one and you've been keeping it real, just know so go and make yourself. I appreciate you and my love for us. Until then, go watch it. Just go on.
Cause we're keeping it real with Dainelle. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, you in the panel. Part of the family, you with the bell. You comment and like and share as well with the friend, that's right. Welcome to the life, feeling alright. When we're keeping it real with Dainelle. Keep it real with Dainelle.
Right. Anyways, so I decided to start a vlog. It has been a hot minute since I spoke with y'all. So this vlog is gonna be whatever comes. And if it take long, just know it's whatever come. I don't know if this video, maybe I'm gonna get a vlog here Saturday or negative Monday, just know set I come phone or just know set I come. But anyways, yeah, it is now Wednesday. I mean at the garden one big some lizard. Listen, if you have a garden, you know say lizard are gonna have about the place. And I don't flow with lizards, so I'm trying to urban get inside, but inside's a bit noisy, hence why I'm outside. But anyways guys, can I tell you that we're so close to 1K? I can't even express how appreciative I am over the top excited. I'm speechless, and it just warm my heart. It just warm my heart, like the comments, the persons that are so active with me. Yo, I appreciate them so bad. But yeah, just a kind of update. Yes, so I come talk to you. Gonna come mukbang. I say my cousin can flow with me and let us talk. Our topic will be on haters, because just watch the next clip. But until then, just go on. So next clip. I love you guys so much. Feel my heart. Wanna feel it? The love is there. Period. Yo, I have so much to tell you guys, and I can't wait to start. But until then, just go and big up on yourself and soon another next clip. And that's one period. Lenkwa. Watch out, guys. Lenkwa. Wait. Come here, girl. Come and tell us something. No, not lie. I just reached 1,000 subscribers. Oh, reach! I just reached 1,000 subscribers. Come on. We excited. We just hit.
Keep it real with Dainelle.
I didn't even tell my auntie, I didn't tell nobody. I'm literally in Bible study, guys. My fair multitask. These are important. The internet gone. I'm gonna come back. Yo, I just want to take this time to say thank you so much to each and every one of you. My ear look mad because I lay down and I didn't even get to come back in the next clip. I am supremely appreciative. We have to bust the champagne in the fridge. Yo, we have to bust the champagne in the fridge, yo. Like, nobody in my house don't know it. I don't want to post it. I'm gonna take it back down off my Instagram. I'm gonna come fresh. I am so happy. Like, I'm happy bad. Like, the only reason she know I can shut the door. And I soon lockdown time. But yo, I'm so happy. Hold on, let me get this. I am so happy. Understand? I'm so happy and I'm appreciative of it. 1,000 subscribers, yo. I started last year, May 15, yo. And before May 15, I got 1,000 subscribers.
Good, you need to reach 10.
10,000.
That's so good.
That's a plan. Y'all can help me now. You can't help me now. Listen, man.
I know they can help you to reach 10.
Listen, I want to big up this one person especially. His name is Sky. No, his right name is Shane, I think. I don't remember because we just love the Kai. You know me love the, you know how me actor. But that's why I big up, you know, because you played such, I didn't even get to see 960 like my fly past the last video. When they love the prank like my fly past 960 and go straight into the 80s. And then I saw myself going towards the 90 and I'm like, whoa, yo, the motivation.
Keep it real with Dainelle.
Let me get some light. Let me get some light. The motivation, come right to Selenko. Come on this if you want. Just up on the tablet. The motivation, the support, the love. It coming out. Don't get me wrong, the hate came at the bridge of my success. And that is completely fine. Scrutiny did not go come a long time. But the fact say me have some real ones. Like, there's some real OGs.
Shout out to them who give us the subscribers. I really appreciate it from my cousin. I'm so happy.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Yeah, only need to go off your channel and subscribe. She have 120.
Something like that.
Only need to forget. Look here, the link to her channel in the description box. I'm gonna make a promoter now. I'm going to promote. I was always promoting, but I got it just, you know, sometime. But I'm gonna go ahead and promote her because she needs to get to 200 before me come. Period. It's a period.
Period too.
But anyways, I'm gonna see you guys in the next clip. Oh yeah, I did not get to do the food talk because I was so hungry and caught up in petite soup as my son. So I'm gonna just leave a clip. The next clip I'm gonna be showing you the food. Yeah. But until then, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. Keep it real with Dainelle.
Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. You in the panel, part of the family. You with the bell. You comment and like and share as well with your friend. That's right. Welcome to the life. Feeling alright when we're keeping it real with Dainelle. Keep it real with Dainelle.
No, kill you sometime.
Hey guys, so it's the next day in the vlog and we'll be working out. So just stay tuned.
Ow.
Just stay tuned.
Thank you. What is ow? Ow.
Next, leg drops. In 5,
Oh my god.
3, 2, 1, go.
You know what we have to do? We are jumping from straight. No, jumping.
Whoa.
What if it's straight? Relax. Put on your leg.
4, 5, 6, 7,
Yeah, what if it's straight? Okay.
8,
Oh. Oh,
9,
no, that was fun. Please.
10, 11,
Oh, Jesus.
12,
Hold it.
Woo. Woo.
13,
No.
Don't stop. Hold
Oh.
it. Hold it, girl.
Oh. No.
Don't stop. Hold it.
16,
Jesus. Guys, the sun hot.
Hold it.
17,
Your leg and foot. Leg up, top one on the
Dang, that is
19,
You're still finished. Don't stop.
You went 20. Hurry up.
20. Rest.
rest
No,
time.
I cannot see. Excuse me.
Ay.
Drops.
No,
My
see,
turn.
no,
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 1,
I don't feel like a lizard.
4,
My girl. You don't feel like a lizard you see her run out. You don't feel like like a lizard, they say. Come. Get everything here.
In the start.
I know.
Me wouldn't do it if it no start car.
Stand up over me like a son about me on my face. We're done. You don't do this. Sun too hot. Sun too hot.
Oh man.
I'm not. Hey, guys. Excuse me here. This is pure madness. So now, so I bring my slippers. This is pure madness.
No man. A water party with you.
1, so hot. 2, should not stop hurt me. We'll come back. Check me later when it's sun cool down. People, this girl that have a full blown laughter.
Then they say, come over me, LENCOIS'S, don't burn me.
Look here. Listen. First of all, guys, anytime I do exercise on a daily basis, my head off mad. Because whiplash pain is very serious. If you do too much movement after a while, it hurt you. So, just in case you don't always wonder, I made mad. And I'm keeping it real.
Oh no man.
Anyways,
What did you do?
we'll go watch a movie. Because I don't know how enough, so. That made no sense. What we just do, because the pavement at, the tile at, and the mat out there.
Everything hot. I'm telling you, but just say water party we need to keep up there and exercise.
But anyways, we'll go back later. Right now, just like a chill, watch a movie.
We are keeping it real, although the sun hot. Remember one video we do in the sun hot? That wasn't that hot. It was warm.
Which video we doing, son? At?
You don't know the listening video we put in
Oh
the
yeah,
video.
oh yeah.
The sun
Whisper
was
challenge.
not that hot, but that sun out there now. Oh my God! I say this.
You say what?
I want to go to foreign.
We'll catch you guys back after we finish the movie and we're going back to exercise.
Bye. If the sun is not hot, cause guys, when I lay down and then I'll say keep it up, and then
Oh, we
my
did this?
turn is up. The grass is like gray.
The girl. But you, the grass turned grey when you
Yes.
You know, it says because she may have
The
feel better.
I close my eyes.
She in the sun and the sun
my eyes.
in our face, like I do it and my face feel like it does steam. It's on my eye, my look oily. It's the sun, bro. I'm gonna look my Alright, I promise that the next clip after the exercise I will be fixing my hair. And we need to talk about the, we need to talk. And plus I want to do a little appreciation ceremony for the 1,000 subscribers. You gotta do it.
Keep it up. Keep it real with her.
Oh.
She don't tell her auntie. She don't tell her cousins. She don't.
I don't tell anybody.
Nope.
Nobody.
But they will see it on her channel. Maybe that is it. Yes, maybe.
But yeah.
Why do you keep on showing your hair weirdo?
Alright, bye guys. See you guys in the next clip.
I love you. Keep it real with Dainelle still.
Real
Period,
them
poo.
we're calling them the real ones.
The real ones. Period,
Period,
poo. Bye.
Guys, I said I'm going to come and just answer the comments that I have not responded to, as you can see right here. Let me turn this up for you guys. And when I start to scroll, oh my god, I am such a bad YouTuber right now. When I started to scroll, it is so much I liked them, but I did not respond to them because I want to show that I saw your comments, but I haven't gotten the chance to respond. Some of them I literally did not respond to, and I'm telling you, it's comment. Look there, look there, look there, people. Look, just look right here. It is comments from months ago, and I mean 7 months ago. Let me just continue scrolling to show you guys how it really awful it look bad, man. I guess it stopped over there, so that means in the last, it's 7 months ago. But anyway, shout out to all of them people here, because your comments say that I am extremely appreciative. Yeah, so let me see you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, welcome to the next day in the vlog. Yes, that vlog getting all about the place. Don't I know. Excuse me. Anyways, at this time I'll be doing some shout outs. First and foremost, if you don't get shout out right now, when you attack me, one next day I come, one next video I come, when you can get shout out the next time. And I don't necessarily shout out everybody. I try to forgive persons that have not got shout out before. So don't feel bad, just comment if you want to shout out the comments. I will see it. Alright, so the first shout out goes to Pacino Hall. He said, I love this story, you should do more. As soon as I get more experience and more story to tell, I will tell the stories. But shout out to you. Next person is Dejanette Libert. I think it's a her. She's saying, keeping it real with Dana. Period. That's on period. That's on period. Right? Shout out to you. Yeah. Oh yeah, and I have a next person to shout out. Her name is Alicia and Chris. She requested a shout out. I'll see them put something there. You're going to see her channel right there. Anybody else some shout out on them up channel, just go and support them and just comment and tell them to Dainelle from Keep It Real with Dainelle sent you. That's on period. But anyways, if you have not gotten the shout out, and yeah, I was like, keep it real, just want to make up a nice thing by itself. The next clip, hopefully is going to be the ceremony. Alright, so until then, just want to make up a nice thing by itself. Love you. Right, that's all. So y'all get your cups, your glass, your push bottom glass and get ready, because the moment y'all be waiting for. Listen, this day I'm for Joe long now. I don't even remember what to put these days. This is not the fridge all long, I whip on the right time. The right moment and the right time. Okay. This is a mixture of my appreciation, a mixture of how humbled I am by your presence, your support, people. I am beyond words can express. I am over the top excited for this chapter. 1,000 subscribers. I couldn't do it without, you know. There's times when I felt as if I cannot go on in the next video. Sometimes I literally could not just take up the camera and do anything. There's down times, there's up times, there's confused times, all level. But each comment, each views, each like, each share, each subscribe made me this grateful and made me here today. Well, led me here today, and it propelled me to say that I will have a day coming when I just can't get even more excited, so I'm just going to hold on to this, you know. I got this from a church. It was Members Appreciation Day, and I decided that it should be shared with someone special to me, and it's you guys. So get your glass, get ready, because I'm gonna pop this. I got my glass. Alright, me get my glass. Sit down. My Canada. But yeah, I got my glass. I'm super excited. I'm gonna pop the champagne. Can you hold this one? Hold it good enough. LENCOIS'S over there. Let me go. Oh, dips.
Just grab it out.
Dad.
Use one of those.
So high, guys. You know what if I out in my mouth, you know? I'm going so pop. I bust up my 10 teeth, then I'm going to keep a bit to grow back. What is pull out this hardy? Guys, this beyond measure is hard.
Get elastic and tighten it on.
Yo. Give me my glass. But you want to run over, but look at this steam. I don't know if I can see. Anyways, get your glasses. Too much that people tell me, you know, come in never yet drink. Cheers. Yo, it is crazy. So that's already thirsty, but that was mine. Want some LENCOIS? Thumbnail. Wait, thumbnail. Better find a nice thumbnail. Oops. Alright. Well, yeah, guys. LENCOIS'S in the garden right here. But yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. If you laugh, well, this isn't a laughing vlog, but you know, I just want to say I appreciate you guys super much beyond words can express. Thanks to God, I moved from 100 to 1,000. I'm appreciative. I'm super happy I should say. But go and big up on yourself, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye. And if you made it this far, you haven't subscribed, you're not a real one, just subscribe right now, turn on the bell to all, and comment and let me know that someone sent you, or you just saw me and wanted to be a real one. Until then, bye.
Cause we're keeping it real with Dainelle. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. You in the panel, part of the family. You with the bell. You comment and like and share as well with your friend. That's right. Welcome to the life. Feeling alright when we're keeping it real with Dainelle. Keep it real with Dainelle.